If you've ever wondered what happens after you die, or what does it feel like to be on the other side, or if you asked yourself if reincarnation is real, or maybe you just want to see for yourself if you can recall a past life. If so, then Dolores Cannon's group regression workshop might be for you. Hi, I'm Jeff Broomfield, and I'm a hypnotist, and I'll be your guide on this journey into a past life. And this will be the experience of your past life. And this is a session where we will visit a past life, and we will visit 3 days of the past life, and then we will also visit the last day of that life and go through the death process. And then we'll ask some questions once you're on the other side and get the purpose of that life and find out how that relates to helping you solve a problem that you have in this current life. And then for the next part number 2 of your session, we will meet your spirit guide or your guardian angel, whatever you call that, the being that watches over you. We all have one. And so you'll get to meet your guardian angel. And they will give you a gift and a message. And so that's the second part of the journey. And then once that's done, then we'll jump into the future and visit a future life at 100, 200, or 300 years into the future. We'll visit that life, and we'll see what it's like in the future. And this is a great experience. And it's meant to be an interactive experience when we're doing it online. When we're doing it online, it'll be on Zoom. That's what I use right now. In the future, I might change that, but right now we're using Zoom. And if we're live, then we're in a room somewhere, and that's a little bit different than the online workshop. But basically, it's the same. These are only allowed to be done live when we're doing Dolores Cannon. Dolores Cannon is one of the great hypnotists that really pioneered past life regression. And she created this modality of hypnosis called quantum healing hypnosis technique. And she, as part of her offering, she has this workshop. And she used to do this workshop. And the workshop was the introduction to her services. So you'd come in, you'd go through the past life and do this session with her. And it'd be a great way to learn how to go into trance and do hypnosis. And then she would sign people up to do full sessions after that based on their experience from the group session. They want to get a little bit more information. And so they get the more personal one-on-one time, and they get more in depth. And the QHHT goes a lot further than what the workshop does. With QHHT or other modalities, what we do after we do the past life regression is as amazing as it is. It's kind of like more of a deepener to take you into a deeper state so that we can summon your subconscious mind and have a conversation. And so Dolores Cannon, what she did was she did this hypnosis, and she wrote about 19 different books. And they're the transcripts from the sessions she had with her clients. And it's all about, they would share information about how the universe works. So she had the Convoluted Universe series. And she's got Between Death and Life is one of her books. 5 Lives Remembered is another one of her books. And these are the transcripts of the experience that these people had. And it's quite amazing to listen to some of this stuff and what people have said. But it's even more amazing when you do it yourself. So the Past Life Regression Workshop is an amazing experience to have, and it will help you solve a problem that you have in your current life. So if you bring an intention that you want to solve X problem or get an answer to X question, then you will get that solution, or you'll get the answer that you need during your session. So it's live only. There's no recording of it. It's great practice for a one-on-one session, learning how to go into trance. And if you're not already signed up, then I would suggest joining my email list. You can go to my website, and I'll drop a link with this video, and just follow that link, and you can sign up to my email list, and you'll get notifications whenever I'm doing the workshop. Your other alternative here is to go to Facebook, and I'll share a link for this as well, or you can search for Dolores Cannon's group, Past Life Regression Workshop by Jeff Broomfield. If you join that group, then I will share notification anytime that I'm going to be doing an online group session. I'll be sharing it on there, and I do these on a regular basis now. So I can't tell you when I'm going to be doing it in the future, but they are coming up. And if you want to be notified, then you'll have to either join the email list or join my Facebook group, and you'll get that information. And so thanks for tuning in. Stay awesome and have a good one.